How to view your YouTube watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily view the videos you have watched on YouTube using your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your mobile phone. And once it's loaded, take a look at the bottom of the menu and tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. And once you see the interface like this, you will notice a section labeled History at the top. This is where you can see a list of videos you have previously watched. If you want to see your full watch history, tap on View All button and this will display everything you have watched with the most recent videos at the top, and you will see both short videos and longer videos organized for easy browsing. But if you want more control over your history and need to find something specific, simply tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Manage All History and you will be directed to a detailed list of all your past activity. You will see videos sorted by date and time, so you can track down exactly what you are looking for. So just keep scrolling to view all your activity. And that's it guys. Now you know how to access and manage your YouTube watch history on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.